Looking at a 98 Chevy Suburban. It's owned by an old man, bought it from him. So he took really good care of it. Got it. Put brand new, about $900 worth of tires on it. Body is straight, rust free. The interior is, he maintained it real well. Headliner's still good. It's got a super nice little stereo in it. Seats are still in excellent condition. This one needs to be vacuumed a little bit, but still gives you an idea of like I said, there's the headliners not sagging or nothing, the body's straight on it. Brand new, $900 worth of tires. Got some kind of little sound box back here. I don't know what he was doing with it. I guess he liked loud music. Only negative things I can say about this truck is there's a dent back here on this back quarter panel. But the rest of the truck runs, did run well to the motor blew. So what I'm doing is selling this truck without the motor's bad in it. I see a couple of dents on the, a new hood would be in order. Those are about $100. But the truck's a nice truck. It was my daughter's, and she didn't have the money to fix it, so we just bought it and didn't have it too long. It's got new brakes and these tires, and a whole lot of work was done to it. And then the motor give out. So anyway, that's it.